Hot water hero. Choosing the right water heater for your home. Hey there, home improvement heroes. Is your shower more shiver than sizzle? Does your dishwasher do the cold dish blues? Fear not, for today we're diving into fiery depths of water heater knowledge. We'll conquer the confusion and empower you to choose the perfect water heater for your home, turning you into a hot water hero. The water heater rundown. Before we jump in, let's explore the hot water heater landscape. Tank versus tankless. The age-old battle. Tanks store hot water, giving you instant access, but also taking up space. Tankless heats water on demand, saving space, but costing more up front. Fuel options. We've got gas, electric, and even solar. Each has its own pros and cons, like efficiency, cost, and installation requirements. Size matters. Don't underestimate the importance of choosing the right size. Too small and you'll be stuck in the cold water purgatory. Too big and you'll waste energy and money. Know your needs. Before setting fire to your credit card, ask yourself, how many people live in your home? More shower singers means more hot water demand. What are your hot water habits? Long showers, laundry marathons, or just the occasional hand wash? What's your budget? Upfront costs vary, but consider long-term energy savings too. Do you have space limitations? Tankless heroes rejoice. Tanks need a dedicated spot. The decision matrix. Let's break down the hot water hero options. We have the efficiency crusader. Electric tankless shines in eco-friendliness and low running costs. Ideal for smaller homes with moderate hot water needs. The instant heat hero. Gas or propane. Tankless delivers on-demand hot water and saves space. Perfect for high-demand homes or tight spaces. The reliable veteran. Gas or electric tanks offer familiar technology and lower upfront costs. Ideal for average-sized homes with moderate hot water demands. The sunshine savior. Solar water heaters tap into the sun's power for eco-friendly hot water, which is ideal for sunny climates and long-term savings. Bonus tips for every hero. Get pro advice. Consulting a plumber can help you navigate specific needs and local regulations, such as permits and inspections. Check rebates and incentives. Governments and utilities sometimes offer financial incentives for choosing energy efficient models. Maintenance matters. Regular upkeep keeps your water heater running smoothly and extends its lifespan. Think long term. Consider future needs and potential home renovation when choosing a size and location. Summary. Remember, choosing the right water heater is a superpower. By understanding your needs, exploring options, and seeking expert advice, you can conquer cold water woes and become the hot water hero your home deserves. So go forth, empower yourself with knowledge, and bask in the glory of endless hot showers. Which water heater type speaks to your inner hero?